Okay, I just wanted to quickly pop in and share, since I'm in the Christmas spirity mood, a quick Christmas hack. Free. Technically, you have to place an order somewhere. Amazon. Who doesn't place orders on Amazon at Christmas time? I know where Santa Claus gets all his stuff around here. So what we've been doing over the last year is every time we get an Amazon package that has the paper packaging in it, we've been saving it. So we take it out, we fold it, and we've been storing it in our wrapping paper bin. We started saving the Amazon paper because I was like, this is exactly what I want, like crinkled brown paper. Brown paper packages tied up with strings. That's what's happening this year. So this is what it looks like without a garnish, which is still cute, but, so here's a little, I do not want to screw this up. Here's a little something from the Christmas tree. Take your package and you're just gonna slip it in there. And I think it's adorable. So don't throw out that Amazon packing paper in your packages. It's good for the environment, it's good for your pockets, and it's good for your classic Christmas vibe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you feel so inclined. I want to show them my earrings. You like them?
Yeah. I'm a Christmas mama.
I'm a Christmas mama. Merry Christmas.